Hi, it's Maria from KinderCrave, and right now I want to show you how to download new fonts to your computer and install them in the proper place so that you can access them when you're creating a Word document or any other type of word processing item. It can be a little bit daunting at first if you're not used to it, but once you get the hang of it, it's actually a very quick process. Fonts are available all over the internet to download, but I really like the fonts offered by Kevin and Amanda. I especially like them because they're free. You can even use them on your Teachers Pay Teachers products or Teachers Notebook products. You'll have to read the terms of use, but at this moment, they pretty much just specify that you need to make sure you very clearly demonstrate credit to kevinandamanda.com. The terms of use are listed on their site. You just have to kind of do a search until you find them. Right now, I want to download free scrapbook fonts. And the website is kevinandamanda.com. That will get you there. Otherwise, you can just do a Google search of Kevin and Amanda fonts. And I'm going to scroll down. As I keep going down the page, they have a lot of helpful and useful information here. Terms of use are listed on this page. I would definitely recommend checking it out. And if I keep on scrolling down, they have their top 10 fonts. I really like Smiley Monster, so I'm going to grab that one now to download. This is with the font that I want, and when I'm ready, all I have to do is click Download Now. I'm going to click Save File. It's already pre-selected, so I'm just clicking OK. And here it is. I need to unzip the file to be able to access it. So in my download window, I'm just double clicking. And it'll take a second, but that should, yep, that opened the file now. This is the individual file after it's been unzipped. I need to save it somewhere where I can easily find it and access it. So I'm just going to take my new file and save it right to my desktop. It's asking if I want to move it. You have to make sure you trust the source, but I do trust this source, so I'm going to click yes. And there it is waiting for me. Now, this is not installed yet. I can't go into Word and instantly start typing and find Smiley Monster on my computer. I have to put it in the correct folder on my computer. Fortunately, that's a pretty simple process as well. All that I need to do, I can X this out. You're going to go to Start and then your Control Panel. I'm using Windows XP. If you're using a newer version of Windows, it's going to look a little bit different, but the steps are still, things are located still within certain similar folders. So I need to go to Fonts. These are all the fonts I currently have on my computer, but I want to install a new one. So I'm going to go to File and Install New Font. Now this is the part that's the hardest and the most annoying. You have to find the directory or the file that it's stored in. Mine is on my desktop. So to get there, I'm going to double click on the C drive file. It's my hard drive. And I'm going to scroll down to Documents and Settings. If yours is saved to your desktop, this is where you need to go as well. Double click to open it. And these are the different users who might be using my computer. I'm Maria. When I logged into my computer, I hit the little icon that says Maria. So this, and it's saved on my Maria's desktop. So I'm going to double click the Maria file. And if I'm kind of keeping an eye on this window up here, right now it's saying no fonts found. I have to keep on pointing in the right direction. It's saved to my desktop. Remember how I put it right here? So I double click on desktop. That opens it, and if you see, it just popped up. It found my file for me as soon as I opened my desktop. I'll show you one more time what I did. C drive, it's gone. I have to get a little bit more specific. Documents and Settings, Maria, because that's me, and then it's on my desktop. So right now there's nothing, but the second I double click desktop, it takes just a brief moment, and it found it for me. Easy. Now it's just smooth sailing. I need to highlight it to select it and then click OK. It's installing it, and now it's in this list. I can scroll down. It's probably pretty far down since it starts with an S. They're in alphabetical order. S. Storybook. Smiley Monster. Here it is. And now if I go into Word, and I'm working on a document, and my computer works fast enough. Just give it one moment. We're having a slow time right now. Okay, I can go to my fonts. I'll click the drop down box. And again, they're in alphabetical order, so I can scroll down. More. And there it is, Smiley Monster, so I can select it. This is Smiley Monster font. Exclamation mark. There you go. Pretty simple steps to finding a font online, downloading it, installing it in the right folder, and accessing it using Word. Hope this was helpful to you. Bye.